I'm Abdullah from Cool Champion number 2. Today I'm gonna get some ice. Just put on like cubed, crushed. I'm pick cubed actually. Huh? What the? Guys, look. Hey, I want to put some water now. You can act like water now. Crushed. Like the bulb. I'm gonna check what's back there. Okay guys, like I said, I was gonna look back there. What? Hey guys, that's my video, guys. Uploaded. It was Colin's hand. Okay,
so I was back here hiding behind the TV, and all you see is a hand going like this, and then I just stuck my hand back out.
And then right at the end, when I checked back there, he moved back there.
Yeah, I just moved out of the way.
But you could see him in this mirror if you looked hard.
Yeah, if you look really hard, you could probably see me. Alright, so, would you like some water?
Guys, bye.
Alright, go over where it comes out at and see if the water...
Wait. Hey guys, let me just put on water.
And then you come up here, you take off the cap, and where's the...
I'm really hungry, but now I'm in the mood for pickles. I don't see a pickle thing. Pickle. See, pickle. Amazing. I want to put some Capri Sun. What the? Capri Sun, guys. Whoa, guys, look, Capri Sun. And his hand. Take it. Guys, I'm still kind of hungry. Let's see if they have an apple. Jump rope. Hey, Ghost, you want to play some jump rope? Put down your hand if you want to play jump rope. Yay! This thing is amazing. I love this haunted thing. Sorry, guys. Guys, I'm feeling kind of in a sour mood. Guys, this is amazing. I love this thing. So many warheads. And the hand.
Give me one!
Okay. Guys, so many. Or not. Blue? Oh, you want a blue?
No, blue.
What color do you want? Here you go. Here you go. Here, take some. Okay. Out of my hand. I'm feeling in a salty mood. What? Something there? Is that? Give it to me. You want some, boy? Go for a vote. Out.